What's up, guys? Ryan from Premium Mortgage.
And I'm Neil.
And we want to talk today about rents on the rise. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see this, but we were reading this article basically showing that rents are going up in some spots of the country 40%. 40% year over year. The article, the first guy that we had read about was in Sarasota, where his rent in 1 year went from $1,500 to $1,947. That's just shy of a 30% increase in 1 year. If you're looking to make a move, if you're looking to get a new apartment, move to a new city, and you're not thinking about considering buying, it could be costing you long-term over the next year.
I know the sales of houses, the prices went up. And I know that mortgage rates are going up. But guess what? If you get into a house now, even a couple months from now, your mortgage is not going up, where your rents are going to keep going. Not only that, you're gaining equity. You're in the game. You're gaining equity. So maybe that's not your forever home. You'll end up with your forever home when you sell that one. So something to consider right now.
Plus, guys, think about this. When you're renting an apartment, they still have to pull your credit. Now more than ever, they have to make sure you have decent credit history. Number two, you still have to have a down payment. And you're still going to have a fixed monthly payment. The only difference is with a house, it's fixed for 30 years, with the exception of taxes and insurance. With an apartment, it could go up every single year. Depends on what your rent structure is and what your bump contingency is. But remember, when you're buying a house, as you're paying down the debt, you're increasing value. This is all equity. This is all money in your pocket. So remember, it's so important when you're looking at renting, guys, just think long term. Yes, it may seem like more work up front. It may seem like a bigger expense out of the gate. It's really not. So take a look, just compare, run numbers. If you're looking at a certain apartment in an area, take a look at some of the houses, figure out what the monthly payment would be, and say how much different will it really be to get into the house versus the apartment. And then in 5 years, what's that house going to be worth versus how much are you going to have spent on that apartment? All right, if you have any questions on that, let us know. Otherwise, have a great day, and we will catch up with you in the next video.
Thank you.